Just using the electric vehicle itself will save lots of pollution and lots of money from your pocket. Charging that electric scooter from solar panel. Charging that electric scooter from solar panel by using solar inverter. What an interesting topic. In this video, I'm going to show you at the daytime how I'm going to charge my Ola electric scooter by using solar power. As we already converted our house electricity load into a solar powered almost of 90%. Now we are using this UTL Gamma Plus solar inverter, which is having 3.3 kilowatt capacity and 900 watt solar panels also used on rooftop. By using the same solar source, now I am going to charge my Ola scooter. I will show you the inverter status. Currently the inverter is also connected to the grid line. So before starting this Ola scooter charging, I am going to disconnect this grid charging line, and only with the help of solar panels I will show you how we can charge the Ola scooter. So you can see from 74.6 voltage is coming from solar panel now. So that is almost 60% of the sunlight is available, and also almost 1.3 amps of current which is coming from solar panel to the inverter. As the grid power is connected to the inverter, it is showing the orange screen. Once if I connect only solar panel and if I disconnect the grid power, then the screen will turn into green color. You can also see from the inverter record 420 units are already converted. It was from past 3 months data, and now you can see it is keep on supplying power for entire household. So it's giving output of 214 volts to the house load. Now let me also show you the solar panel which is there on the rooftop. So we have total 2 panels which is of 445 watt each. So total 900 watts. This is approximately 1 kilowatt power which can generate around 2 kilowatt or 2 units per day. Now as you can see the green screen which will indicate only it is connected to the solar panels now. I have disconnected the main grid supply. So from my house I taken this extension board and dropped it to the parking location where I am going to connect the charger now to my Ola scooter. So this is how I can connect the charging gun, and from charging gun the plug I will connect it with this extension box and I will power on. So you can see on the screen now the charging got started, and the inverter is taking total 38% load as it got increased because additional to my house load. Now this charger has got around 600 watt capacity, so it is taking additional load. Total my inverter is loaded up to 38%, 40%. It will fluctuate depending on the house load also. There are some refrigerator, all these are frequently taking the power. So you can see now 66% I plugged my scooter. When I plugged my scooter, the time was 8:45 AM morning. You also consider the sunlight is average during this time. The charger is taking the power from solar panel and continuously pumping to the scooter battery, and it is getting charged now. You can see the inverter data also. By 10:57 AM the scooter reached 95% SOC and it's still on charging. You can see now it's 11:08 AM 93%, and by 12:24 PM the scooter reached 100%. This is how I used to charge my Ola scooter by using solar power. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos on electric vehicles. Thank you for watching.